If your shift knob logo never lines up straight, you're probably installing it the wrong way. Here's how to fix it. Today, we're showing how to properly install the K-tuned teardrop shift knob so that everything lines up for a clean, finished look. Designed with an M10 by 1.5 thread pitch, this knob fits all Honda and Acura models with a manual gearbox. It's constructed using a two-piece design with a hidden locking nut system. It's available in black, blue, red, and silver to match your setup. It features a comfortable teardrop shape that fits naturally in your hand. The deeper machined crosshatch pattern provides extra grip, especially useful in performance and race applications. Now let's walk through the installation. For this install, the only tool you'll need is a 14mm wrench. Inside the box, you'll find the teardrop shift knob, locking nut, collar, and K-tuned top logo sticker. Prepping the shift knob. Make sure the collar is fully seated on the shift knob. We'll use the etched K-tuned logo on the collar as a reference to properly align the top sticker. Make sure the surface is clean, then line up the sticker with the collar logo and press it firmly into the machined pocket. Most people prefer the logo oriented right to left in relation to the shifter. Once the sticker is applied, remove the collar from the base of the knob and slide it over the shift rod first. Thread the supplied lock nut onto the shift rod, followed by the shift knob itself. Spin the knob down to your desired height and adjust its rotation so the logo is centered and facing correctly. With the knob positioned, run the lock nut up against the base of the shift knob and tighten it securely using your 14mm wrench. This locks the knob in place. Finally, thread the collar upward until it seats against the bottom of the knob. This conceals the locking nut and completes the installation with a premium, streamlined appearance, perfectly aligned and ready for use.